For the week of August 1st, welcome to this edition of IMPAQ Your Week. In our project updates, IMPAQ Strategy has launched the Ascend Health Intelligence platform to support the data needs of our healthcare clients. Ascend stands for Advancing Science Through Clinical Evidence, Networking, and Data. It is a solution delivery platform that coordinates research studies, conducts follow-up and appointment scheduling, and captures patient-reported outcomes, including quality of life measures. The product launch is made possible by IMPAQ's acquisition of Digital Support BV, a Europe-based healthcare technology firm. Digital Support's Chief Technology Officer, Joop de Bruin, will join IMPAQ Strategy as the Director of Product Development. Now, with this acquisition and product launch, IMPAQ Strategy will expand its data-driven management consulting practice and drive quality improvement, physician guidelines adherence, and patient education. Andres Romualdo and Maureen Sarver will be on site visits this Thursday and Friday in Wisconsin as part of IMPAQ's Workforce Innovation Fund Skills Wisconsin Evaluation Project. During the stops in La Crosse and Stevens Point, they will be conducting interviews with workforce representatives for the Workforce Development Board of South Central Wisconsin. Through a collaborative contract with IMPAQ and other partners, Vital Research and the Parham Group are finishing a successful interview period with older adults and people with disabilities. Interviewers questioned participants receiving Medicaid waiver services, talking with them and their family members about quality and satisfaction. In total, 415 interviews were completed with those living with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Now, the team is finishing with 950 more interviews, focusing on older adults and those with physical disabilities and traumatic brain injury. The survey results will help the Mississippi Division of Medicaid improve the quality of its home and community-based waiver services. IMPAQ's project staff includes Donna Perlmutter, Leanne Clark-Shirley, Jacob Joseph David, Buki Olagun, Ann Middleton, and Gabriella Frank. In our publications and presentations, Yasuyo Abe's paper, Study of a Culturally Responsive Teen Pregnancy and Sexually Transmitted Infection Prevention Program for Middle School Students in Hawaii, has been accepted for publication in the American Journal of Public Health. Whitney Stewart will be presenting Cultural Considerations for Behavioral Health Professionals in the Aftermath of Disasters. This during the symposium, Responding to Disasters, Culture and Communication, at the American Psychological Association Annual Conference, which takes place August 6th in Denver, Colorado. Bruno Gasparini's presentation, Local Labor Demand Shocks and the Education Grading at Birth, has been accepted for presentation at the Southern Economic Association Annual Conference being held November 19th through the 21st in Washington, D.C. Dallas ELGIN'S presentation, Utilizing Predictive Analytics to Improve Child Welfare Policy and Practice, has been accepted at the Association for Public Policy Analysis and Management's 2016 Fall Research Conference, also taking place this November in Washington, D.C. Nihananda's presentation, Occupational Skills and Retirement Outcomes Among the Early Baby Boomers Before, During, and After the Great Recession, has also been accepted and is part of the broader session she organized entitled Labor Force Participation Among Older Workers, the Role of Push and Pull Factors session. The presentation is a joint work with Stephen Wandener, Yang Chen, and Luke Patterson. That's this week's show. I'm Jeff Fitzgerald on behalf of the IMPAQ Communications team. Make it a great week.